what you were saying?
Yes, so with the Apple Watches, they give you the ability to make phone calls, text messages from your phone while it's connected via Bluetooth. It keeps track of your fitness as well as your health, so you have the option of keeping track of like your blood pressure, your heart rate, your pulse. You get an 18-hour battery life. It keeps track of your blood oxygen level as well as it has an ECG reading, which keeps all of your health issues into one report. You'll be able to send that to your doctor.
Can you show us?
Yes. So these two are the Apple Watch SEs. You have the 44 millimeter in the silver color. Then you have the 40 millimeter in the rose gold. And then on the other side over there, you have the Apple Watch Series 6 and the 44 millimeter in the navy blue color. And then you have the Series 6 in the space gray color and the 40 millimeter with the Nike band.
That's good. So can you show me the features you were mentioning on the app?
Yep. So your main menu is going to look like this. It's going to have all of your apps. Some are going to be identical to the one that's on your iPhone. Some are not. So for instance, you have your phone, which you'll be able to make your phone calls. You'll be able to see your most recent phone calls, as well as you'll be able to dial out as well. You have your text messages. You'll be able to view all of your text messages. The way you would text on this one is going to be a little different. Instead of you typing out the word, instead of you typing the words, you would actually write out the words. So I can actually show you right on here. So you would just write out, okay, and it'll pop up. You do also have the option to do voice recognition, so you can just talk through it and it'll send it out through text as well.
Interesting. And you show the fitness apps?
Yep.
So the fitness app is the key thing, right?
Mm-hmm. So you have your activity tracker. This keeps track of all the activities that you are doing. It'll pop up on your phone. Where is my phone? Oh, my phone's over there.
So whatever you do is going to show up on the phone.
Yes.
As well, it's all in sync. Perfect. Sounds like a plan. So, and it has GPS tracker.
Yes, it has a GPS tracker on
the
there.
whole 9 yards.
So this is what the summary would look like on the activity tracker. So it keeps track of my moving, checks my calories, how long I do exercising, as well as standing. You have your rewards that you can achieve while doing your exercises. There's also some challenges.
Nice.
You can share your activities with other people as well. There is a mode that allows you to challenge like your friends or family with the activity, so you can like do like contests and see who can do the most exercise in a time.
That's awesome. Thank you.